Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, heated seats, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.